nice. So it can hold a lot of hours, that thing. This thing is going to, I'm going to have to download it. I just got a new memory card for it.
Oh, that's a memory card in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were changing. I thought you saw you changing a tape.
Nah, changing the battery.
Oh.
The batteries, especially on the GoPro, they don't last that long because it's like 4K definition, so it's high definition, and so it chews up a lot of battery. How's this tool feel? Lovely?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Much sweeter.
Yeah. You know, they have a saying in the Vedas. Sure you're familiar with it. What's sweet in the beginning is like poison in the end, and what's like poison in the end is like nectar. What's like poison in the beginning is like nectar in the end. So I think you'll find that this becomes like nectar, but you're not quite there yet. That's my perception. I mean, I could be wrong, you know. You could be just feeling like all this is nectar. But I just intuitively, again, you know, I just don't think so. Big breath and relax. Breathe into that.
As much as that's uncomfortable, I like that better than the toes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we don't do the toes because people like them, you know? It's kind of like going to a dentist and going, you know what? Kind of like it when you just turn that TV on to let me watch or give me that gas.
So when did you when did the toes start treatment with this kind of model? When did you incorporate that?
When I got to a certain points where I just felt like I was butting, like I'd be working in somewhere like this and I'd be butting up against a tight muscle, be holding that, you know? And I gradually kind of felt, you know, because like I say, you can start to feel like stuff on the sides of toes, you know?
Yeah.
And then I'm like, well, where does that go? And then I had an acupuncturist work on me, and he did what they call bleeding. So he bled the end, and I gradually understood that that's the end of the line, which is an acupressure spot or an acupuncture spot. And then I started to join, it's like joining the dots, you know, of a jigsaw or something, or not a jigsaw, but one of those dot things. What are they called? I don't know.
Yeah, puzzle.
Puzzle or something, you know? And then I started to work there, and I was able to get much deeper relief because the muscles up here would actually let go when I worked on them after doing that. And as I say, you know, it's not just a case of going through the motions. It's like if I get 10% out of here, I can get 10% out more up here. And it's a permanent release, you know? It's not just like a feel-good thing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And as I say, with maintenance massage, none of this is going to hurt, you know? It's just because you're so tight that it hurts, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of people do like practicing a bit of yoga when I work on them, you know? Lifting the...
Well, you're not bouncing off, right? I mean, it's kind of like, or are you?
No, mostly not. Like, I mean, obviously I didn't get all that tension out of your toes. Otherwise, this would just be melting like butter. Like, if I got your toes completely loose, this would just be, it'd just go, you know?
Yeah.
Whereas we're getting some of it going and some of it staying. And I'm just, you know, trying to obviously distinguish between what's ready to move and what's not, you know?
But it's like, if that's a encouraging thing that...
Oh, yeah. It's all good. You're getting, I mean, you're going to feel a lot of benefit, you know? That's what I would expect. But there's just that temporary discomfort when I'm working on it. But I'm not going to worry about that too much, you know? I'm sure you won't. I always say it's like giving birth. You know what I mean? Like a woman complains and carries on about giving birth, but afterward they're like, oh, I got a baby. They want another one, you know?
Oh, yikes.
Yeah.